All right, that's a bit of Motown for you. It's 483, Sugar Pie Honey Bunch. Can't help myself. Played this one quite a bit for weddings and the such, but it's always a fun one to play. To me, of note is the ending on the A minor instead of ending on 5, and the slide down to the D minor. Both are very interesting things. So, anyway, I hope you're enjoying the series. If you are, go ahead, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.